Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Are you excited for another Captain Curious adventure today? Do you remember how many space rocks we've found so far? We already found the ones from Mercury, Venus, Earth, our moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. That's 8. Our treasure chest has 10 empty slots, each one shaped just right for a space rock. We only need 2 more. Maybe we can find another one today. Okay, it's time to head back out into space. Which planet is last in our solar system? Do you know? Close your eyes and imagine we're back inside the rocket ship. We're getting ready to launch. Are you ready? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Here we go! Say goodbye to Earth. While we're on this ship, you can call me Captain Curious. Okay, let's check out the Curious container. Usually 1 or 2 of the items in there helps us locate a space rock. Okay, first up is an emergency heat pack. This will keep us warm for a short time if we get too cold. That'll come in handy. We're really far away from the sun now. Next, we have a telescope. Oh, interesting. This looks like a really nice telescope, too. Finally, we have a windshield. This will give our ship some extra strength in case of really strong winds. All right. Hey, can you draw these 3 items for us today? That way we'll remember them while we're on our adventure. The first item is an emergency heat pack. The second one is a really nice telescope. And then we've got this attachment for our ship. It's a shield. And it looks like it's meant specifically for very windy conditions. What would you imagine that looks like? Remember, when you hear this sound, you know we're close to our space rock, so keep an ear out. Okay, look out the window. Do you see that tiny blue dot getting bigger and bigger? That's Neptune. As we get closer, the color deepens into a rich sapphire blue. The planet is huge, the 4th biggest in our solar system, and it almost looks like it's made of swirling paint. The edges are fuzzy, not sharp, because Neptune is a gas giant with no solid surface. Yep, that means there are 4 planets in our solar system, half of them, which do not have a solid surface: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn and Jupiter are the gas giants, and Uranus and Neptune are the ice giants. And look, as we get closer, you can spot thin, ghostly rings circling around Neptune, like delicate spiderwebs catching the sunlight. Wow, Neptune is beautiful. Whoa, okay, well, as we get closer, I need you to hang on. Neptune has the fastest winds of any planet in our solar system. They can blow more than 1,200 miles an hour. That's faster than a jet airplane, faster than a rocket car, even faster than the speed of sound. Whoa, our ship is losing control. The wind is just too strong. Whoa! Ah! How do we get control back? Oh! The windshield! Here, let me... Go! It worked. Wow. That wind was wild. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. It's about 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Imagine standing outside on Earth and feeling the Sun's warmth. Now picture moving 30 times farther away. The Sun would look like just a tiny dot in the sky. Now, remember how we said that Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system? How does that make sense since Neptune is farther away? Well, I got a curious question from Shatia. Shatia wondered, why isn't Neptune the coldest planet in our solar system, even though it's the furthest? See, here's why. The two planets both orbit far away, but Uranus is tilted on its side in such a strange way that parts of it can be even farther out. And Uranus doesn't give off much heat from the inside. That's why Uranus can hit the lowest temperatures ever measured. But Neptune is cold all the time, with average temperatures around -350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, Uranus is the champ for the coldest single spot, but Neptune wins for the coldest planet overall. Pretty cool, huh? Or should I say, pretty freezing. And do you remember that big storm on Jupiter called the Great Red Spot? Well, look back down at Neptune. Do you see what I see? Yeah, that swirling storm. Neptune has a giant storm called the Great Dark Spot. It's about as big as the entire Earth. Winds whip around inside it at incredible speeds, making it one of the most violent storms we've ever seen. And just like Jupiter's spot, this spot is getting smaller too. When Voyager 2 saw it in 1989, it was huge. But later, telescopes showed it had vanished, and new dark spots popped up somewhere else. Neptune's storms come and go like giant cosmic whirlpools. Isn't it crazy that telescopes can see Neptune from Earth, even though it's, on average, about 2.7 billion miles away from us? That doesn't even seem real. How do they even know where to point the telescope? Well, actually, Neptune is special because it was the first planet ever discovered using math. Want to know how? Astronomers noticed that Uranus wasn't moving exactly the way they thought it should. Something seemed to be tugging on it. They did the calculations and predicted where a hidden planet had to be. Then, in 1846, when a telescope was pointed at that exact spot, guess what? There it was. Neptune was found. Imagine discovering a whole planet with pencil, paper, and some really smart math. If we had a telescope like the ones they have on Earth, I bet we could use it to see what Earth looks like from here. Oh! I wonder if the telescope in the Curious Container could do it. Let's see. Set it up. Look through it. Ah! There it is! Oh, wow. Earth is so beautiful, even from so far away. Can you imagine you're seeing Earth through a telescope 2.7 billion miles away? What does it look like to you? You know, it may seem quiet out here, but Neptune isn't alone. It has 14 moons that we know of. The biggest one is Triton, and it's very unusual. Take a look at it up there. What do you notice? While most moons go around their planet in the same direction the planet spins, Triton actually goes the opposite way. That means it probably didn't form around Neptune at all. Scientists think maybe Neptune grabbed Triton long ago, pulling it from the Kuiper Belt. Now, if you could stand on Neptune, you'd notice the days go by very quickly. One spin, or one day, takes about 16 hours. But the years? That's a whole different story. Neptune takes, are you ready for this? 165 Earth years to go around the sun just once. Since Neptune was discovered in 1846, Neptune has only completed a single orbit. That means that in your whole lifetime, Neptune won't make a complete orbit around the sun. Isn't that crazy? It's so cool to be so far out in our solar system. Have you heard our space rock anywhere? I've been on the lookout, but haven't seen anything. Oh, you heard it? Where? When we were looking at Triton? Is it on Neptune's biggest moon? Oh, I think I heard it too. Well, let's go check it out. Triton is covered in a layer of frozen nitrogen mixed with water ice and dry ice. It's super cold, around negative 390 degrees Fahrenheit. The ground looks pinkish in some spots and white in others, like a frozen desert. But even though it's frozen, Triton isn't dead. Voyager 2 spotted geysers shooting nitrogen gas miles high into the sky, like icy volcanoes. That means Triton is still geologically active. Voyager 2 also saw signs that winds were blowing the nitrogen geysers sideways. That means the winds are strong enough to move gas and icy particles across the surface. What an amazing moon! Okay, we're here. Let's... Uh-oh. My spacesuit is sending me a warning. Oh no, it says the temperature here... It's too cold to protect me. Oh, my emergency heat. I wonder how long it lasts. Oh, it's only a really small supply. Okay, we're gonna have to be quick finding this space rock or we're gonna freeze. Let's hurry up. Oh, wow, it's really, really cold here. Let me know when you see the space rock. Where do we go? Oh, there's a sign. It says, true or false? Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, blowing over 1,200 miles per hour. That's true. Oh, okay. This sign is pointing to another sign. Let me go find it. Okay, this next sign says, true or false? Neptune is the 7th planet from the sun. No, that's false. It's the 8th and farthest planet. Oh, okay, it's pointing to a new sign. Let me go up to it. Hang on. Okay, this sign says, astronomers discovered Neptune by spotting it with a telescope first. Is that true or false? Well, that's false. They predicted it with math before looking through a telescope. Okay, it says there's one more sign. Let me go over to it. It's so cool. True or false? Triton, Neptune's biggest moon, orbits in the same direction that Neptune spins. That's false. It orbits the opposite way, which is very unusual. Oh, there it is. There's a space rock. We found it. We found it. The 9th space rock. Okay, let's grab it and head back to the ship. Okay, whew. Oh, it's much warmer in here. Let's put this space rock into the treasure chest. It fits perfect. That's 9 down, only 1 to go. But wait, those are all of the planets. Where are we supposed to find our last? Whoa, the rocket ship's autopilot just kicked in. Wait, where are you taking me, rocket ship? I have no idea where we're going right now. Looks like we've got one more adventure in space. Next time, we'll find out what's in that treasure chest. Well, here we go! boy, it looks like our Captain Curious space adventure is wrapping up in the next episode. Any idea where that last adventure is going to take place? Somewhere in the solar system, I guess. But where? And what do you think is going to be in the treasure chest? I wonder if it will be something that kicks off a new Captain Curious adventure. Where do you think we'll go next? What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, please visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. Oh, and thank you for telling other parents about this show too. Please check out CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.